Converting fractions to decimals. Making sense of your cents. Hello learners, welcome to today's lesson. We're diving into an exciting topic today: converting fractions into decimals. We assure you that by the end of this video, you'll find this task as easy as pie, or should we say, as easy as cutting a pie into fractions and converting them into decimals. Before we leap into converting fractions into decimals, let's take a quick refresher. A fraction is a way of expressing a part of a whole. The top number, the numerator, tells us how many parts we have, and the bottom number, the denominator, tells us how many parts make up the whole. On the other hand, a decimal is another way of representing a fraction, but it's based on powers of 10. For instance, the decimal 0.25 means 25 out of 100, or simply, 1/4 of the whole. The process of converting fractions into decimals is straightforward. You simply divide the numerator, the top number, by the denominator, the bottom number. For example, if we have the fraction 1/2, we simply divide 1 by 2, which gives us a decimal, 0.5. Let's try another example. What about the fraction 3/4? Well, we divide 3 by 4 and we get 0.75. That's it. That's the whole process. Now that we understand the process, let's practice with some fractions. 5/8. Divide 5 by 8 and we get 0.625. So, 5/8 equals 0.625 as a decimal. 7/10. Divide 7 by 10, which gives us 0.7. So, 7 divided by 10 equals 0.7 as a decimal. 9/2. This one might seem tricky, but just follow the process. Divide 9 by 2 and we get 4.5. So, 9/2 equals 4.5 as a decimal. With enough practice, you'll be able to convert fractions into decimals quickly and easily. Remember, the key is practice. Thank you for joining us today, learners. You've done a fantastic job understanding how to convert fractions into decimals. This skill will help you in many areas, especially when you deal with percentages or other areas of math. Keep practicing and you'll master this in no time. We're looking forward to seeing you in our next video, where we'll be tackling how to convert these decimals into percentages. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.